여러분 안녕하세요. 한국어 시간입니다.
Hangul consonants.
기역, 키읔, 쌍기역.
King Sejong wanted to create characters that could represent not only the sounds of people's speech but also all the surrounding sounds. So he created consonant characters. Based on the shapes of the mouth, tongue, throat, and other organs involved in producing sounds. There are a total of 19 consonants, consisting of 14 basic consonants and 5 double consonants. In this session, we will study 3 consonants. First, let's learn the names of them. Name. The name of this consonant with such shape is
기역, 기역.
Next, the name of this consonant is
키읔, 키읔.
Finally, the name of this consonant is
쌍기역, 쌍기역. 쌍
means double and twin. Sound. The sounds of
기역, 키읔, 쌍기역.
all come from the same location inside the mouth. It is the sound produced when the back of the tongue blocks the throat. Giyak produces a short sound.
그,
It doesn't make a long sound. Please try making the sound.
그, 그. 키읔,
Makes the sound.
크,
Please try making the sound.
크, 크. 쌍기역,
Makes the sound.
그,
Please try the sound.
그, 그. 그, 크, 그.
These 3 sounds have the same tongue shape when produced, but the sounds themselves are all different. Let's compare the sounds.
그, 크, 그, 크, 그, 크, 그.
When producing,
그,
the airflow is gentler compared to when producing.
크,
When making the sound of,
크.
the stronger airflow causes the paper to move more noticeably. Can you see the difference? Please listen carefully, and choose one of those. Please pay attention to the strength of the airflow when making the sound.
크, 크, 크.
Next,
그, 그, 그.
now, let's compare the sounds.
그, 그, 그.
Requires twice the strength compared to,
그,
because it has 2 instances of the sound.
그.
Give it some force and try making the sound.
그,
Strongly.
그.
Please listen carefully, and choose one of those.
그, 그, 그.
Next,
그, 그, 그.
now listen carefully to the sound that I pronounce. And try to identify among.
그, 크, 그.
Are you ready?
크, 크, 크.
Next,
그, 그, 그,
last,
그, 그, 그,
writing. When producing the sounds,
그, 그,
the shape of the tongue matches the shapes of the characters,
기역, 키읔, 쌍기역,
respectively. When writing giyak, it is written continuously without stopping. Just one stroke. When writing kiyak, you write giyak first and then create airflow from left to right. 2 strokes. First stroke, airflow second. When writing,
쌍기역,
you simply write giyak twice. 1, 2, 1, 2. And when
아, 야, 여, 이,
appear next to giyak, the end of giyak is written facing left, like
가,
combining letters and sounds. Now, let's combine letters and sounds with
기역, 키읔, 쌍기역,
and vowels. When writing Hangul, make sure to write the consonant first. However, when pronouncing it, starting with the vowel is a good way. Let me start with giyak.
그, 아, 가, 아, 가, 그, 야, 캬, 야, 캬, 그, 거, 거, 그, 겨, 겨.
Next, kiyak.
크, 오, 코, 오, 코, 크, 요, 쿄, 요, 쿄, 크, 우, 쿠, 우, 쿠, 크, 유, 큐, 유, 큐.
Last,
쌍기역,
끄, 으, 끄, 으, 끄, 끄, 이, 끼, 이, 끼, 끄, 아, 까, 아, 까, 끄, 오, 꼬, 오, 꼬.
read words.
고기, 고기, 쿠키, 쿠키, 꽃기우, 꽃기우.
Today, we studied the consonants.
기역, 키읔, 쌍기역.
In the next class, we will study the consonants.
니은, 디귿, 티읕, 쌍디귿.
See you next time. Bye.
감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요.